Hi, I'm Trent with L2L, and today I'd like to talk to you about the value of being streamlined. In auto racing, there have been improvements to the horsepower of engines, durability of tires, long-lasting component parts, and even pit stop strategy. However, the most obvious difference is in the physical appearance of the cars. Early cars were boxy and utilitarian, whereas today's cars are sleek and streamlined, optimized for performance. Here at L2L, being streamlined and optimized for performance is exactly what we've sought to do in our latest releases. Our new OEE dashboard is a compact single screen with a lot of information contained inside. You can view your entire operation's performance and know easily, based on color coding and a simple OEE metric, how you're doing at the site, area, or line level in real time. Another streamlined addition to L2L's platform is our no-code app creation module, L2L Studio. Creating single-task, custom apps within L2L allows your frontline workers to shed wasted minutes and increase their accuracy and productivity. And just like custom fittings allow drivers to remain comfortable behind the wheel, L2L's role-specific portals contain everything that today's connected workers need to do their jobs effectively and efficiently. So when you're considering which smart manufacturing software will most benefit your frontline workers and your business, look at the sleek and streamlined design and productivity-enhancing power of L2L. To learn more about how L2L's streamlined functionality can accelerate your operations, reach out to us at info@l2l.com.